Keith with Green Marine Monitors. I'm here today in New Jersey at Viking Yachts aboard a brand new Viking 80 with her captain, Captain Sam Griffith. And first of all, just let me say, Captain, thanks very much for welcoming us aboard today.
We waited a long time for this day, and we're glad you're here with us.
So tell me a little bit about this beautiful, gorgeous Viking 80.
Well, we've had a few boats before, and the ones that I've been with the owners have been Vikings, and we're just gradually moving up another 4 feet for a few extra dollars. And the owners are excited enthusiasts on boats, and they need to have a boat at all times. So here we are again, one more time.
Now, how many other Vikings have you had built for your?
5 before this.
5 Vikings. That's a lot of brand loyalty there.
Oh yeah, brand loyalty. They've been good to us, and I guess their checkbook's been good to them. So they take good care of us, and they're happy that we're back one more time.
Well, she's an incredibly beautiful boat. We'll have some video shots of some of the boat itself to show you as well. And we're really excited because this is the very first brand new Viking that Green Marine Monitors have been on. We actually have our Bridge Command multi-touch series monitor on this boat. 3 24-inch monitors and 3 19-inch monitors. And could you tell us, when you were searching for a new monitor company for this boat, how you came about finding Green Marine Monitors?
Well, I'd heard the name Green Marine, and when the owners were asking me who should we try to use the monitors, because we had a few problems previously, I said, well, I've heard this name Green Marine. He says, okay, I'm gonna check on it right away. And he called me back 5 minutes later, and he says, I have the number, call now. That's how he is. He's very decisive. And I called and actually got the owner of the company, Keith, on the phone. When the owner picks up the phone, you know you have a better chance at good service. So we said, okay, tell us about your product.
All right, well, we're glad because Madison, my marketing manager, is the one that does the website, so she's very glad that you found us that way as well. Now, I know we haven't really, the boat actually hasn't been turned over to you yet, so you haven't had a lot of time yet to play with the monitors and different things, but what's your initial impression now that the monitors are installed on the boat?
Well, first off, they're very beautiful. They have a really nice finish to them. The touch buttons at the bottom that are hidden except when you need them are very nice. The colors are incredible. I had the opportunity to play with the 19-inch on our previous boat, thanks to Keith. And so I hooked it up and ran it through, and I thought it was really good. So I sent it on up here to Viking's Electronics Company, Atlantic Marine, for their review.
And how have we been with, as far as a company to work with so far? And I'll just say we had a little glitch, which happens sometimes with products, but you know, we tried to immediately work on situations. So have you been satisfied with us as a company and relationship so far?
So far, it's been outstanding. I mean, our phone and email communication has been wonderful. Our communication with you and AME Electronics has been great. Everybody's enthusiastic about this opportunity to have another choice for monitors on these boats here at Viking, and they kind of keep a low tone until they test things for themselves. Everything needs to be tested, and here in Viking, you can't even install something non-electronic on the boat without getting engineering approval. So AME's been testing the monitor for quite a while, and they have a really good team of guys, and they're excited too.
Well, we really thank you for the opportunity to come aboard such a great boat, for a relationship that you've helped start with us and Viking, and we wish you the very best with this brand new 80-foot Viking, and look forward to working with you in the future, any way that we can help you out.
Well, I'm sure we will be helped out, and that's why, because it doesn't matter, you can pay good money for anything, and sometimes service is more important than what you initially get. And that's what we look for, is good service in a product. We know anybody can have little problems here and there, but it's timely service that the one thing you can't buy with all the money in the world is more time to enjoy the things that you have. So being able to use the things and get them repaired and have nice products, very important, and we're very happy to be working with you, Keith, and Green Marine.
Thanks again. We really appreciate your time today.
Okay, thank you.